Here we are at the Hoi An Lantern Festival.
And the colors are fantastic. We're just starting this journey this evening, so we hope to get a boat soon and to float some lanterns. Come along with us.
Back at the 16th, 17th century, Hoi An was a shipping port, and the locals would hang lanterns so when the ships were coming in at night they could find their way. Also, locals put lanterns on their shops so that the customers would come in.
All right, all the boats here offer a lantern release. They take you out for about 30 minutes. And as we'll see up here, they're in some little smaller boats. Just magical. I don't think I've ever seen so much color. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. You, pretty. Pretty. I love you. All right, thank you. The locals also perform poetry, songs, dancing, and even, hopefully we'll see it, traditional game playing. Okay, 20. One? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. This one is for my sister, for health. All right, there you go. Wishing for health coming your way. I love you. We're gonna have to duck soon.
Here we are, going under the bridge.
You're gonna have to duck a lot, Scott. Right. Oh boy. Oh, yeah. Thanks.
We made it out the other side in one piece. Didn't take off my head. This is a Japanese bridge built in the 17th century. Now we can say we've been across the 17th century bridge.
It even has like a kind of a smoky smell. I was going to say flavor. Smell. Is it time for dinner or what? That's that lady waving who took our picture. Here's her husband.
I'm planning on starting my own YouTube.
Yes, this is the nice couple who took our picture.
You were asking about the
They're
mics.
from Denmark.
There's these and the roads.
And they're traveling all around.
Those are good,
and
but
he
these
hopes
are
to start
better.
a YouTube
because
channel
the case,
himself. Say hi.
you just put them in, it all syncs, it charges it, the case first.
A lot of clothing shops here, and of course they make and tailor. All right, we found a place to eat. Tam Tam Jardin. Oh, this looks like a cool restaurant. Love this. Well, I'm on a trip. These are common stairs. A ramp for a motorbike to get up, and then 2 steps on the side.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful work. Tailor shops all over. the guy that we just met back there had said that they'll ship them home to you too for a relatively good price. So might have to look into that. I found my hat, Scott.
Yes,
I've been looking for a hat. Here it is. Looky there. We've been in our room this morning trying to upload a video, and we heard all of this music, coming from, well, we're gonna
Somewhere.
go, yeah, somewhere. So we're gonna see if we can find it. All right, well, wanna get walking?
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's see if we can hear it. We're gonna turn to the left.
Lên. 2 giờ là căng ngay giờ thấy không bác này. Số 1 đây đi. Số 1 đưa đi. Thích quá. Đầu số 3 Polo. Đầu số 2 Nhớ. Tài Oh yeah. Three team cooking right. Three team. Yeah.
Thank you. Who's my helper here today? Is this your table?
Tôi đề nghị tất cả các đơn vị chúng ta đã sang làm luôn ra để cho ban tổ chức bây giờ tăng bố điện tử CNN của Hoa Kỳ là đang quay phim. Rồi, mời xuống dưới.
I thought we needed to get out of our room at night, so I found some theater shows. We're going to try to go to 2 in the next week. This one is the Hoi An Memories show. It's within the Hoi An Impressions Park. And it's supposed to be a really big, spectacular show, at least according to TripAdvisor. It got some great reviews. We'll let you know. There are restaurants here within the park area. So we're going to try to get some dinner first, and then the show will start about 8 o'clock. There's some shopping and things in there. We'll let you know our opinion of it. Right, samurai.
Whoa. That could be a blooper.
Getting fancy. My hero. Come with us for a walk down this alley in Hoi An. We are trying to find the restaurant. The first one we went to, it was non-existent or it's closed for the evening. Now, Scott said that there's a street around here on the other side, so I sent him out first to scope out the area. There's life at the end of this alley. All right. Okay, now I think we have two options. There's a Korean barbecue place down here, And then over on this side, there is something called Cafe 43. I'll find it. Cafe 43. We've eaten there several times. I love their wonton noodle soup, and then I just tried their chicken with chili and lemongrass. I'm so excited. I'm getting ready to go for a cooking class. They're going to teach me how to make those 2 dishes. Hopefully they'll let us film in there, and then I can't wait to make these for you all, for family, when I come back home. Oh, their restaurant's so lovely. Hi. Yeah, here's one of the owners and cooks who's going to teach us. This was one of my things to do while traveling. Okay.
And now the first, and we start with the wonton soup.
Well, besides all this being delicious, I thought that they were ingredients that I could easily get back home.
And pineapple you cut and you slice. Yeah.
Okay. And I don't want to. These are nice sharp knives, so I don't want to lose a finger. Would definitely put a bummer on the trip. A damper. How long have you been cooking at this restaurant?
I started cooking and learn cooking and from 2013.
2013?
Yeah.
Is that when you opened this restaurant?
No, the first time I learned in the school, and I work in the hotel and resort.
Okay. And that's where you learned all your skills. Your food is very flavorful. So you can pick some dishes off of their menu, and then they'll teach you how to make them here. I need to move faster, huh? I don't want to burn here. I don't think I've ever had a soup with pineapple in it, and it was just refreshing. I fell in love with it.
And a little salt.
Stir it in.
I have to spoon and stop.
Okay, of the pork bouillon.
And 1 teaspoon for sugar.
Okay, and the 1 teaspoon sugar. Oh, I am so happy I came to your restaurant. So I saw you had the cooking classes advertised on your table, and I said, this is a must. Yeah, we're gonna do this. Look at this. This is just like a bowl of love. I'm so happy I came to take this class. Oh, look, it's hot. Look, beautiful. Oh,
And you can pour on the top and the sesame.
Sesame seeds.
Roasted
Roasted sesame. Gives it that little crunch. Oh, delicious. Oh, voila. Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I love her with the hat. And his wife is wonderful. She's so sweet. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Okay. Bye-bye. Remember, we had those. I forgot what they were called. This is our second show that we're now attending. The first one, the Hoi An Memories, it was awesome. Totally would recommend that. This one's called Tehdar, Tehdar, and it's taking place in the bamboo dome behind us. It's supposed to be some really cool architectural features and lines to it, and it is a music type show with traditional instruments, cultural storytelling also.
And some Cirque du Soleil acrobats thrown in.
A really neat kind of variety, so I think that we're really going to enjoy it. We'll let you know.
Excellent show.
Yeah. Great. Go if you have the chance. It's wonderful. All right, this is the morning that we leave. Pack up this room. Goodbye, Wenlong Villa. It's been wonderful. There was a little place right up there, and our Grab is here to take us to Da Nang. Here comes Scott pulling our things. This is a wonderful place. We would highly recommend it. I even had a dress made in here. They do tailoring. This looks like I don't know what time is it?
8:30.
Yeah, let's just grab something because I don't feel like thinking. What do you think?
Whatever, but you still got to figure out what you're going to eat.
I don't know. I have no idea. Where are we gonna get a taxi at?
Oh, whenever we get up out of the...
Yeah, let's just come here. I don't know. I'll determine if we get some spring rolls. I don't know.